Hey, what's up you guys? Ian here once again. So it's another Geek and that signals for another video. So most of you have seen our unboxing and first impressions of the Huawei Y5p already, and most of you have been asking. The Huawei Y5p is the company's latest entry-level smartphone. It has been stealing an ample amount of lightning lately due to its super affordable price tag. It's only priced at $4,490. How insane is that? Yes, it's very affordable, but the question is it good for gaming? Let's find out.
Let's go.
Let's start with specifications first. The Huawei Y5p is powered by a MediaTek MT6762R Helio P22 processor. It comes with an octa-core processor and it is developed under 12nm process. It also comes with 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs storage, and 3020 mAh battery. Okay, let's discuss first the features that contribute to a great gaming experience. And first in our list, it's the display. The Huawei Y5p packs 5.45-inch display, making it the most compact smartphone the Huawei has released this year. I just want to say that this phone may be small, but there's enough screen real estate for visuals and on-screen buttons to coexist. So this means that you don't have to worry na bitin ang screen size. Actually, I like the overall size of the phone when gaming since I can have a better grip, and of course, the on-screen buttons are very accessible. And then the loudspeaker. Actually, I'm quite surprised that I cannot find the speaker grill at the bottom side. It's because Huawei has integrated the loudspeaker on the receiver area, so you don't have to worry about blocking the sounds while in-game. In fact, the experience is even better since the smartphone fires the sound directly to your face. That's why mas malakas ang speaker niya compared to other entry-level smartphones. In our Mobile Legends test, the smartphone can handle most of the intense graphics. In our game, our setting was set into high graphics. And for the purpose of uniformity, we also maxed out the volume and the brightness just to check its thermal management later on. So we used a mage type hero called Chang'e or Chang'e or whatever you want to call her. So our overall gaming experience was smooth naman guys, but occasionally I am experiencing frame drops, but it's not something that could affect my game in a major way. I did not experience any heating issues in the game. For a 12-minute game, our battery dropped from 77% to 71%. For a shooting strategy game, we have played the popular title, Call of Duty. We have defaulted to low graphics and medium frame rate. The depth of field is also turned off, but it's supported by the Huawei Y5p. So it means that you can toggle it anytime you want, but to the expense of the graphics quality. With that being said, nagulat ako guys. I was surprised that our almost 9-minute game went smoothly. I mean, I had no issues with frame drops, and kung meron man, it's not that obvious to me. The targeting is also great. In fact, to my surprise, I enjoyed playing Call of Duty Mobile with the Huawei Y5p. For the battery life, I have started with 58%. And after a 9-minute game, the battery dropped at 53%. The Huawei app gallery has tons of games that I can download. It also has another shooting strategy game called the Garena Free Fire. I also tried the Asphalt 9. It's an arcade car racing game and it's also graphic intensive. I can also tell that it's playable with the Huawei Y5p, but of course, there are frame drops when we set it to high graphics. For the battery, our 7-minute game started from 31% and ended to 28%. So the overall build for gaming is that hindi siya madulas, it has a good grip, it's not slippery, in fact, you can use it with one hand. So there you go guys, I was kinda surprised that this little puppy over here can handle most of the popular and favorite gaming titles. Of course, we have experienced hiccups every now and then, but I don't think that it has affected our overall gameplay. For its price, I could tell you that this one is a good phone for gaming. Thank you for requesting this gaming review guys, and if you're not a subscriber yet, you can join the Geeko system by clicking that subscribe button below or hitting that bell notification icon for more videos like this. That's all for me this geek end. Stay safe guys, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!